All right, here's a very quick introduction to the course. We're going to go through the life cycle of a company from the early stages when the company was founded. Then we'll go public, and then we'll deal with bankruptcy, and we'll talk about the legal issues in all of those stages. So in year 0 to 1, we'll start our company, we'll get money from friends and family. Then year 2 to 3, we'll deal with venture capital firm Sequoia. Then we'll deal with another venture capital firm called Kleiner Perkins. We're going to get diluted. I'll explain the pitfalls and what to avoid, legally speaking. Then we'll do a debt round later on. You never use debt early on. I'll explain why later. And then we'll go public. Woohoo! Goldman Sachs is going to take us public. We'll deal with some of the legal issues there as well from a very high level perspective. You're going to love this course. It's a lot of fun. However, there is blood in the water. So we're going to be declaring bankruptcy, or Chapter 11, towards the end of the life cycle of this company. So before we start, please remember a couple things. Number 1, there's no point in investing in a company if you aren't impressed with the management team. Number 2, don't do your own legal work. Hire others, always. Let's do this.